Have you ever looked at a bottle of lotion and realized the first ingredient is water? Meanwhile, this tiny lotion stick lasts longer, travels easier, moisturizes better, and skips the plastic bottle altogether. Today I'm sharing why I switched to handcrafted organic lotion sticks, and honestly, I don't think I could ever go back to regular liquid lotion. Hi everyone, welcome back to the garden and my skincare studio. If you're new here, we talk all about food forests, living in the suburbs, sustainable gardening, natural living, and handcrafted organic skincare. Today I'm talking about one of the favorite products I make, and one of the fan favorites as well, our lotion stick, and why I think lotion sticks work better than traditional liquid lotion. If you've never tried one before, you might be wondering, what is a lotion stick? So let's get into it. So what is a lotion stick? A lotion stick is basically a concentrated solid moisturizer made with nourishing oils, butters, and beeswax that melts into your skin with your own body heat. Unlike conventional liquid lotions, lotion sticks don't need all the fillers, stabilizers, or heavy preservatives because there's no water added. That means you're getting concentrated moisture instead of watered down lotion. Why lotion sticks work better? Number one, they're more concentrated moisture. Most liquid lotions are primarily water. And while they can feel lightweight at first, that moisture often evaporates quickly, especially if your skin is extremely dry. Lotion sticks are different because they're packed with oils and butters that actually stay on your skin and help seal in moisture. They're especially amazing for dry hands, cracked heels, elbows, gardener's hands, cuticles, or dry patches. And someone constantly outside in the garden, my hands get destroyed from soil, sun, harvesting, and washing, and lotion sticks have honestly been a lifesaver. Number two, no plastic bottles. One of the biggest reasons I love lotion sticks is the sustainability side. Traditional lotion usually comes in plastic pump bottles that get tossed once empty. Our lotion sticks are plastic-free, low waste. The packaging is compostable and designed to reduce unnecessary packaging. It's a small swap, but small swaps add up, especially if you're trying to live a little more naturally and intentionally. Number three, they are perfect for travel and on the go. No leaks, no spills, no TSA liquid issues. I keep lotion sticks in my gardening apron, in my bag, in my car, and beside the bed. And because they're solid, they're incredibly convenient. Number four, less ingredients. One thing I've learned over the years is that skincare doesn't always need to be complicated. Some commercial lotions have ingredient lists that are incredibly long. With handcrafted lotion sticks, the ingredient list is usually simple and recognizable. Organic oils, plant butters, beeswax, botanical infusions, essential oils. Simple ingredients can go a long way. Number five, they last a long time. Because lotion sticks are concentrated, a little goes a long way. People are often surprised how long one lotion lasts compared to liquid lotion. If you're not pumping out huge amounts each time because the product isn't diluted with water. So why choose handcrafted and organic ingredients? For me, it's really important to create products that fit the same values as our garden and food forest. We care about organic ingredients, sustainability, simple formulations, low-waste living, and products that actually serve a purpose. A lot of the inspiration for our skincare honestly comes from gardening life itself. When you spend time outdoors working with your hands and really appreciate products that are nourishing and practical. If you've never tried a lotion stick before, I highly recommend giving one a try, especially if you struggle with dry skin or want a more eco-friendly skincare option. I make handcrafted organic lotion sticks in small batches, and I'll leave the website linked below if you want to check them out. I also have a discount code just for you listed below, so make sure to use it if you place an order. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, have you ever used a lotion stick before? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.